Have you ever wanted more control over your trades? Whether you're buying or selling, a stop limit order can be your best friend. It's a powerful tool that allows you to set precise conditions for executing your trades. In today's video, we'll explain what a stop limit order is, how it works, and when to use it. Ready to make your trading smarter? Let's get started. A stop limit order combines two features: a stop price, the trigger that activates your order; a limit price, the maximum or minimum price at which your order will execute. In simple terms, you're telling the platform, execute this trade, but only if the price reaches a certain level, and don't go beyond my specified limit. Here's an example. Imagine you want to buy Bitcoin, but only if the price drops to $30,000. That's your stop price. However, you also want to ensure you don't pay more than $31,000. That's your limit price. Let's break it down step by step. Set your stop price. This is the price that activates your order. If the market hits this level, the order becomes active. Set your limit price. This ensures that the trade only executes within your desired price range. Choose your order type. Stop limit orders can be used for both buying and selling. For sellers, you might use a stop limit order to sell if the price drops below a certain level to minimize losses. For buyers, you can use it to buy only when the price falls to a certain point, ensuring you don't overpay. When should you use a stop limit order? To manage risk. Protect yourself from large losses by selling when prices drop below a critical level. To lock in profits, use stop limit orders to sell at a specific profit target while avoiding sudden price drops. To optimize entry points, buy only when prices dip to your desired level. Stop limit orders are an essential tool for traders who want precision and control. By setting clear conditions, you can protect your trades and seize opportunities without constantly watching the market. Good luck, and see you on CEX.IO margin trading. Join us and reach your next crypto level.